Power Balance is the leading performance technology company with a passion for competitive sports pursued with the powers of Eastern philosophy and Western science, along with the innovative technologies to deliver products that improve and enhance people's lives. The Power Balance bracelet is embedded with naturally occurring frequencies that are known to react positively with the body's energy field, which help promote balance, flexibility, strength, and overall wellness. For thousands of years, Eastern medicine has been using technologies such as rocks, crystals in order to ensure balance. Although not all substances found in nature work the same, the Power Balance Bracelet Company narrowed down the few that are believed to be highly beneficial, and through advances in technology, they put them all together to form the holographic media for the bracelet. The thin polyester film hologram is programmed through a proprietary process featured in cutting-edge three-dimensional imaging, which makes the hologram truly unique. The Power Balance bracelet claims the holographic disc has been embedded with the electrical frequency that restores your body's electrical balance, promoting a free exchange of positive and negative ions, which safely restore and optimize the electromagnetic balance within the human body. From a chemistry perspective, cations and anions do get exchanged by electrical frequencies, but there is no electrical energy passed through the plastic band to the skin, says Dr. Alexander at UTC. To get electricity, ions must be passed through the solutions that are connected by probes. Ionic bonding is a type of chemical bond in which valence electrons are lost from one atom and gained by another. This exchange results in a more stable electric configuration for both atoms involved. In ionic bonding, an ionic bond is based on attraction electrostatic forces between two ions of opposite charge. However, there is no apparent transfer or movement of ions that may occur or may not be present in the band.
According to the Power Balance Bracelet advertisement, some frequencies react positively with your body and others negatively. When the hologram comes in contact with your body's energy field, it allows your body to interact with the natural, beneficial frequencies stored within the hologram. However, Scientific American states that the human body does not produce an electric charge. This means that the human body cannot interact with any electromagnetic field and therefore will not react to the positive or negative charges. Furthermore, the National Center for Biotechnology Information concluded that the natural frequency of an average human ranges from 10 to 16 hertz depending on mass. In order for this frequency to react with a natural frequency, the natural frequency must resonate with the human frequency in order to create an oscillation. However, no natural frequency has been detected from the hologram on the Power Balance bracelet, meaning that there is no resonating frequency to interact with the human body.
After multiple experiments, it becomes evident to multiple biologists, one specifically being Kenneth D. Reuter, that our ears are made of three parts: the outer ear, the ear canal, and the eardrum. The vestibular system detects both circular motion and the movement in a straight line, including everyday actions like stopping, starting, and turning, while it also monitors the position of our body in respect to the ground. This means that balance is maintained by the vestibular systems. Within this system, the brain receives signals and processes that information in order to produce a sensation of stability. Within our ears, the tubes and sacs are filled with fluid, and when we move our heads, the fluids move, bending the sensory cells, which overall affects our balance. The brain then sends signals to our eyes and muscles in order to ensure balance regardless of your position. According to biologists, the power bracelet does not work due to the fact that there is no correlation between a bracelet on your arm with the liquid in your ear. To get a deeper understanding of the biological perspective relating to the bracelet, according to exercise biology, the hologram on the bracelet is made to interact with the frequency of your body, but after multiple experiments, this claim was proven wrong.
Your sense of balance, so it relies on a series of signals to the brain from several organs and structures in your body, and it begins with this labyrinth in your inner ear. It's made up of bone and soft tissue. So inside this labyrinth are canals with three fluid-filled ducts, and there are, they tell your brain when your head rotates, and so there are cupula, I don't really know how to say that, in each canal, and when your head turns, fluid inside of this semicircular canal moves, which flexes the cupula, And the stereocilia is an extension of hair cells in the cupula, and this bends and creates a nerve signal that's sent to the brain to tell like which way your head has turned. And so then there's these things called the utricle and saccule, which are between canals, and these tell your brain like your position with respect to gravity. So like head movements equal like they signal your brain a change in position. And so like when you move, this is all known as like the vestibular system, and it detects mechanical forces that simulate the canals in otolithic organs, which are those utricle and saccule. And so these work with other sensory organs, such as like your vision and like muscle skeletal system to control the position of like your body at rest or in motion, like when you're exercising. And so this helps you maintain stable and balance like when walking and running. And so basically this is how like the fluid inside of your inner ear, it's what allows you to like keep your balance, and like signals from any of these sensory systems, if they malfunction, that's when you have a problem with your balance. So as I just explained about how balance works in your body, was published by the National Institute on Deafness and Other Communication Disorders. And so basically this power balance bracelet, the hologram that is supposed to resonate with body's natural frequency to improve balance and performance, but this is not actually like changing how our vestibular system detects mechanical forces that stimulate like the canals in our ears for us to balance. And so no frequency is produced by this power balance bracelet for it to resonate with, so like basically saying it doesn't actually work. And a study by the University of Wisconsin showed that they gave half participants, student athletes, a real bracelet and half like a fake one, and they showed that there was no like distinct improvement in performance on athletic ability. So all the improvements in the Wisconsin kids' like tasks were associated with them just doing it multiple times. And so there's no actual connection between like our liquid in our inner ears and like how we balance and this power balance bracelet. So
psychology shows us that even if the power balance bracelet has no scientific value to improving physical performance, it can produce a placebo effect, leading to the wearer of the bracelet to believe that they have greater balance even if they don't. Surprisingly, the placebo effect can produce empirical results even when producing nothing that affects balance. This can lead to someone wearing the power balance bracelet to have improved results in balance and strength, even when the bracelet is having no effect. Other products, such as the Carlson inflammation balance pills, show us that affecting chemical values in the body, such as omega-6, have no effect on balance. Altering omega levels in the body has no effect on the natural frequency of the body and has not been proven to produce a natural frequency similar to the power balance bracelet. Omega-6 gives our body fatty acids and does not alter the liquid in our inner ear, which gives us balance. Although omega-6 can have an effect on our brain functionality and growth, it is not directly associated with balance. Overall, the Carlson inflammation balance pills and the power balance bracelet have no effect on performance or balance.